The KS0 finally here after a month and a week-ish, somewhere in there. I will say, everything that I did say yesterday, I am still super pissed off about it as far as the pricing and the shipping window and all that crap, but at least they make good on their shipping. I mean, shipping for me was $110 and it shipped yesterday morning and it's here today by 1 p.m. So I mean, that's pretty damn cool. So you've already seen an unboxing, so I'm gonna take this one out and we're just gonna do a quick transition in 3, 2, 1. And here she is. Looks just like the other ones. It's got the same black fans as the second batch. No Noctuas like the first batch. I did not order a power supply unit with this one because the power supply units that they give are garbage. They are above the 80% rule when it comes to powering this thing. I think a 120 watt would have been preferable over a 90 watt. I ended up replacing my existing KS0 with a 120 watt power supply, and I still have the original one that I bought with the first KS0. So I'm just going to use that for now until I get the other power supply in. Well, let's get this piece hooked up. There she is, hooked up, ready to go. Actually, almost had a little bit of a scare. This is the original power supply that came with my original KS0. When I bought the new power supply, I don't think the three-prong part came with it. I ended up reusing the one that came with this originally. So I got the power supply for this, set up, and I had a little panic moment, like, oh crap, like what am I gonna do about that? I don't have one of those. So luckily you got the dad box / IT box, with all the extra cables that you think you'll need sometime, and good thing I had it because I needed it today. So I will see you at the computer, see if we can find this thing on our network. Okay. So I was able to find the IP address. Normally, I was always able to pull it up just in my router settings, and I thought it was IP 192.168.1.57, but I couldn't get to it. So then I ended up having to use Ice River's tool to find it, and then lo and behold, it actually does come up as 1.57. So when I click on this, double click on it. When I click on the IP address here, it brings it up. So I don't really know why. I mean, normally when I just type in the IP address without /user/login, it comes up. So I don't know, but we're here, so that's all that matters. Okay, we are mining to their pool, so let's knock that crap off real quick. Actually, what I'm going to do is I'm going to get into my other KS0, copy my settings. And yes, I am mining to nice hash. Leave me alone. I'm actually going to do this just for a little bit, just to see. Do it for a couple of days. Okay, and then we copy over the wallet. Oops, crap. Still doing all this one-handed. Yes. Oh, actually, we want to call this... Oh, come on, stupid. I like Keeper, but it's... go away. We're just going to wipe all these out. I'm going to copy my other settings over. Oh my God. Nice hash, or not nice hash, whatever your name is. Keeper, go away. I can't see the damn thing. Okay. Now we should be good. Okay. And save. Okay, we'll give this a couple minutes, see if it comes up. Okay, we're back up and running now. I did a couple of different things. I actually changed... Actually, I created a DHCP reservation for my miner, just so everything is set static on the router end, so there's never any problems with... I don't know if it loses its if it loses its DHCP leads or something like that. I always know what it is, where it is, and it's set on the router end for the reservation instead of statically on the actual device itself. In case it's off and another device picks up that IP address, you know, you won't have any problems. Anywho, add me on. Sorry guys, I'm a little slap happy. It's Friday. I'm ready to go drink. Okay, connected. Cool. And actually, it's not doing it so much today on my other KS0. I had rebooted it since then. Oh, damn it! It is doing it again. So it keeps kicking me off of NiceHash and, you know, keeps putting me on my backup pool, which I guess is why we have a backup pool. But what I was actually going to say is last night when I had this on NiceHash, I noticed that there was an insane amount of rejected shares. I mean, it was almost half. If I had 1,000 accepted shares, I'd have like 950 rejected shares. I mean, it was really weird. So, anyways, randomness of the day. I'm going to reboot this again. I don't know why it keeps kicking me off NiceHash. I guess that's probably a sign that I shouldn't use NiceHash, right? Yeah, probably. But, oh well. Let's restart it. So why I'm actually on NiceHash right now is, you know, you guys will probably give me some crap for this. So I have an L7 mining to NiceHash as well, and I have both my KS0s mining to NiceHash right now. So what's going on is a portion of my L7, actually I'd say probably 2/3 of my L7 goes towards paying for electric for all of my other GPU miners. So pretty much I'm using my L7 to cover the electricity costs of all my miners. Well, ever since the halving or whatever the reduction was for Litecoin, you know, it was like a month or so ago, I went from making $20 a day to $15 a day. And now with Bitcoin taking the holy crap big loss that took yesterday, I don't know what the heck's going on there. We went from what, like 29 or 30,000 down to 25,000, 26,000, somewhere in there. So my earnings on that L7 are like, I think $2-3 a day profit after electricity. So that thing is basically breaking even. I'm not able to cover the cost of electricity for all of my other miners right now. So I've actually, I got a decent bag of Caspa going. So I think I'm going to put those on NiceHash to try to help me build up some of my other altcoins for the time being, you know, while I can. Also, we have, starting Sunday, we have another late summer heat wave coming our way. We're looking at, you know, mid to upper 90s. And I think I'm going to give my electricity a break, and I think I'm actually going to turn off my L7s, and I'm just going to let the KS0s do their thing. You know, because those will be making together, you know, $10 a day, and they won't be using any electricity themselves. I mean, 70 watts, but, you know, that don't count. So anyways, that's what I'm doing with that. And then, you know, obviously as profitability goes down, obviously it's going to keep going down on NiceHash as well. So probably what I'll do with them KS0s is I'll just stick them on a solo pool somewhere and put them in a corner and forget about it. Okay, so let's check this real quick. Let's reset, refresh. Ooh. Now, wouldn't that be awesome if it stuck around up here instead of like going like my last one? You know, actually, I'm kind of curious about that too, to see how this one compares to my last one. Because I mean, my last one when I first got it, I mean, it was up and down, up and down, up and down. It was up and down like a bad 80s porn. Okay, well. Okay, we are connected here. We do have 129 accepted shares, 4 rejected shares. It's a lot less than last night. Okay, well, that about does it. Actually, no, I don't. Let me bring up my nice hash for you guys real quick. Let me bring up nice hash real quick and just make sure everything's visible in there. Okay, yeah, we're looking good. We are showing 3 active rigs. I need to rename this guy. But that's my first KS0, and that's my second KS0. And there's my L7 I was just telling you about. So, yeah. All right, that'll about do it. Everybody have a wonderful Friday, and we'll catch you guys next time.